बरतानिया के शहजादे फिलिप ड्यूक ऑफ एडिनबर्ग की वफात पर सजाद हैदर करीम साबिक मेंबर यूरोपीय पार्लियामेंट ने इनकी अहलिया मलका एलिजबेथ से इज़हार अफसोस करते हुए कहा कि प्रिंस फिलिप हमेशा मशगूल शख्सियत थे जिन्होंने आलमी मामलात पर गुफ्तगू करने में हकीकी दिलचस्पी ली। बरतानवी प्रिंस फिलिप ड्यूक ऑफ एडिनबर्ग की वफात पर इंतहाई रंज है।
His Royal Highness the Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Philip, is somebody that I always found to be a very considered individual who had a very deep understanding of both domestic and global affairs. I met on various occasions whilst attending official functions at Buckingham Palace. He is somebody who quite clearly represented the interests of the United Kingdom tirelessly, and through his role of providing companionship both professionally and personally to Her Majesty the Queen, represented the interests of the Commonwealth as well. And along with it, he is somebody whose own personal lineage meant that he was very deeply connected and interconnected throughout Europe. And he was able to take all of that and ensure that through public service, he put it to the service of the betterment of the global good. So this really is a huge loss to the United Kingdom today. And certainly within the United Kingdom, there are many fine examples of the contribution that he made, most notably in relation to the awards that he provided and the training that he provided and the skills that he provided for young people under the Duke of Edinburgh scheme. There are very many people that have benefited greatly and immensely from that opportunity that he sought to provide for them. So this is a huge loss for the United Kingdom. It is a matter of very real deep reflection for us as a country, and one wishes that we are able to come through this in a united fashion as we face the challenges of the future.